Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates.
And my name is Taylor Green and I'm the other audiologist here. And we got 2 patients in this compilation. But we've got quite complex, tricky ones.
Yep. Skin. Loads and loads of skin.
Loads of skin.
Loads of skin.
This is my patient, first one. See already, I'm thinking, oh. So what we've essentially got here is a layer of keratin. So you know the keratin is basically dead skin, but it's like a hardened dead skin.
The dehydrated.
And
skin.
It's if you didn't know, keratin is the same material as what your nails are made out of. So you can imagine, you know, on occasion some of the keratin that we have to remove from some ear canals are quite tough. Yeah, quite tricky. I actually had one today, funny enough. This is not the one I've done today, but that's coming up soon. So I've got the fine end on here. I'm trying to get a... I'm peeling from these sort of front sections, because sometimes we're quite lucky, and if we get a little bit of a peel going, it does start to release some of that looser material that's around, you know, where we're sort of peeling.
So how far back does this keratin go?
This is right over the eardrum.
Is it?
Yeah, you can see it just beyond the suction tube. It's got you can see that kind of greyish sort of, that's the eardrum there, just behind the suction tube. So it's going right over the front of the eardrum here. So not an easy one. And it is putting up a fight as well. It's not coming away easy.
It's the linchpin piece is when you get into that, right at the base of the eardrum, and you want it to just carry on and go up the top of the front of the eardrum. You don't want it to shear in that area, do you?
Oh, no, that will be an absolute nightmare.
Yeah, because you lose your edge to work on. It's a bit like, the way I would say this is described as, if you've ever got a sticker and you've got to peel a sticker off something and try and peel it off cleanly, it's a bit like that, isn't it? You've got to work an edge, and you've got to keep working the edge until you've got enough that you can get a good peel, and then you kind of do it really slowly because you don't want anything to break.
And you end up spraying it with something. And then...
Yeah. I saw a great trick the other day though. I've done it before. I've put hot water in a cup and put the cup on top of it, and it helps to soften the glue underneath, and you can peel it. Can't do that in ear canals. No. We can't pour water in your peel. Boiling water and peels the ear canals. No. Or hairdryer. That works really well as well.
That's good tips. Thank you.
So not yours just for the wax removal, guys.
Barber's tips.
I have all sorts of weird, wonderful tips I carry around in my head, many of which are completely useless, but you know.
But handy to know.
Handy to know.
So I popped a load of olive oil in here now, and the olive oil, it's not going to soften what's in here, but what I was hoping was going to happen is, as I lifted that bit of skin, I was hoping the oil was going to start seeping underneath it, so it usually loosens it a little bit easier. Now this forceps, I've got you could see there was a tiny little flinch on the patient there where we actually started to peel that skin away. Look at that.
Wow, that's a good one.
Oos.
Look at that.
That's a complete cast of the ear canal here. Look at that, right over the eardrum.
It almost looks like a thimble, almost like that.
Yeah, there's a little bit of scar into the eardrum. You know, it doesn't look like a normal sort of healthy eardrum, but it's all intact and there's no problems that we can physically see there. But yeah, we've got about a centimetre of keratin there.
Half an inch on that one, guys, as well. That was a guy, I enjoyed that one. So I can see straight away that this is harder, it's more rock solid. Patient, so patient has Parkinson's, so it's going to be a little bit sort of wibbly wobbly. But he's got an absolutely, it's a kind of a really bad combo, because the patient obviously has a tremor, which makes it a little bit more difficult because you're kind of readjusting your visual all the time. And a combination of that, and the patient also has absolutely rock solid keratin in here as well. So I've gone in with a right hook. I have created this slight gap, and suddenly now all the moisture that's been trapped behind this keratin has all sort of started evaporating out of the gap. And that's what's causing this major kind of humidity here on the canal, on the camera. but switching between the right hook and the right curette here as well.
I don't know if it's a thing, but because I've seen quite a few patients with Parkinson's in the past, and
Yeah.
you sometimes find on occasion, if you're going with like the suction, the noise of the suction sometimes stables them a little bit,
Yeah.
and you don't get as much of a tremor. I don't know if that's a thing, but
I don't know. I've had it with people with tremors before, and I've had the opposite as well, where it's
it
gone a
goes
bit
quiet,
noisier and
doesn't it?
they kind of become a little bit more shaky.
Yeah.
But lovely guy, and he was like, you're fine, carry on, don't worry.
Get in there.
They're always good as gold. They're absolute troopers, and they're like, yeah, no problem at all. So I was going to, I'm really sorry if this is uncomfortable, but it's just so solid to try and get this out. And they're like, nah, it's fine, don't worry about it. But look at this.
There's quite a lot there as well,
And you can see how that tool is just flicking like that off the top of the plug, and it's absolutely rock solid. Yeah.
It's a weird consistency, isn't it? You're like shearing through the center of it as well.
Yeah. It almost goes. It's almost like you've got lots and lots of crumbly pieces that have just been compressed together, and that's kind of mixed, and then they go sort of solid. But then when you try and unpick it apart again, they just go back to this sort of crumbly state. It's such a bizarre kind of consistency. We did wonder whether this particular type of problem this gent's got was due to the medication that he takes for his Parkinson's. But look, that was starting to get a bit of movement there now. It's come forward ever so slightly. It's just, as soon as I twist, because the point of the right hook and the St. Bart's hook, the same thing, you kind of go in at this angle, then you turn the hook down and pull backwards. But as I'm doing that, you can see it's either flicking down the one side or just pulling straight through the middle. So forceps, yeah. I'm thinking I'm just gonna keep going with forceps here.
Yeah. Chipping it.
Yeah.
Little bits at a time.
Sometimes you'll be lucky and you'll hit this one kind of ribbon of skin, the dry skin and keratin that goes through the whole plug.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's nearly there.
You can see it kind of pulling from the side. Look at all that white. Now that white material, that is the fresher skin underneath. That's the it's still dead skin, but it's the newest dead skin. Yeah, the newest accumulated dead skin, if you like. And that's what this plug is kind of made out of. Those central sections would have been like this originally, and then as it dehydrates even more, it kind of, they're getting ready for his patient. Now,
I know. I was.
Oh, look at that. So it kind of dries, and that's what forms this really thick dry plug in there then. But it's tough as all boots, this one.
Oh, I can just see how much is still.
I know. I'm like, I thought it was just like a plug at the beginning, but there's so much of it. I'm trying to keep it kind of all together. I'm trying to keep it as one plug if I can, but I just don't think I'm going to be able to. But now there's a little gap. We might be able to drop behind it. No. And pull this forward.
We might be able to. No.
No, it's not happening. Oh, there we go.
Look at that pop out.
Look at the length of that. I think I did try and pick it all up together. You can see I've altered, but it had broken apart. But I was originally one big plug. Sorry, I went really close then because it was about to fall off, but I was pushing it back with the camera just so I could get a grip on it. And then we've got this last section now.
Oh yeah, little flap of dead
little
skin.
Little flap of dead skin that was hanging on the back end, but there we go.
There we go.
A couple of exostoses there at the base of the canal as well. So exostoses, if you don't know, they're sort of bony growths, if you like, inside the ear canal. It tends, you get a lot with people who are exposed to cold, so it'd be cold water. You can get with cold air as well, and it'll cause the ear canals to sort of bow in from the sides, which is what's happening there. So this is the patient's other ear canal. Doesn't look quite solid, and we've got a gap. Great.
Always great to see.
Always good to see. And we're going to go straight in here with a right curette, try and get into the gap. Pull him down.
Oh yeah, you can see there's not nowhere near as much on the side.
No. And in fairness, the gent did say that the other side is always the worst one, always the worst of the two. But I've got this thing where I've pulled it forwards, but now we've got this layer of dead skin behind it, look. And so that's all it's done is folded. It hasn't actually detached. So I'm working the side of it, and I'm trying to kind of pull from the sides. I know.
Just get that lifted now. That should come away. There you go.
Oh, more of it. Hang on. You can see I'm kind of doing that wiggle as we come down just to bring it out.
Oh, there you go.
There we are.
Lovely.
Let's have a look, see what's going on behind it.
Little bits left.
Awkward flap of skin, this one. Oh, there you go. Got to see the roof of Cardiff Clinic there. Yeah.
Peely one again.
It's a really peely one. And I'm trying to get that front end there. You can see it just getting this last kind of cut. I can see a piece at the top there. I'm like, oh, what's going on there? And so it starts sort of peeling that down as well. It's difficult because I'm trying to aim at a specific spot.
Yeah.
But the tremor means you're trying to aim at a constantly moving target. And it's kind of difficult to gauge it. I got this last little bit here. I can see there's another piece beyond. I know, yeah. I think it's all attached though.
Oh, that's going to come away nicely. That's starting to shear, isn't it?
Yeah. So I've got this little tiny bit of wax is stuck to the top of this almost like sheet of skin. So I was really hoping I'd pull it like in the little bit, there you go. A little bit started to come away, but I can see it just dropped just at the entrance there. Oh, I've got another piece there now.
It's causing all sorts of problems.
I know.
It's always the easier ones that.
Do you know, look at the other side.
Harder ones.
You know it's going to be solid. You know it's going to be difficult with that one. It wasn't so bad.
Look at that.
Queen. 1 3/4 inches. But look at the size. I mean, the width of some of those plugs as well.
4.5 centimeters.
It's a good one. There's a lot of keratin in there, guys. A lot of keratin. Well, guys, thank you so much for subscribing to this. Yeah, thank you very much for subscribing to the channel as well. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe, guys. There's loads of videos coming up. We actually just hit 600,000 subscribers on YouTube. Whoosh! I'd love to. Can we please have a 1 million subscriber plaque? Just because I would really, I'll retire then. Okay, just but can we please have 1 million subscribers? I'd love to.
I can't do this.
It'd be fine. I'd love to get 1 million subscribers. How cool would that be? Because we got the silver plaque, the play button is called another plaque, up in our clinic. Yeah, so that's there. But a gold one. Ooh, imagine that. 600,000.
Yeah.
It's a long way to go. It's a bit unfair, really, because you get to YouTube, we get like I know we got 1.2 million on TikTok. We have got over 1 million on TikTok. But I'd love to get, because YouTube was the channel we started first. I'd love to get that one to 1 million.
Yeah, that'd be good.
Cool. Well, guys, anyway, thank you very much for watching the videos. Yeah, if you do enjoy the videos, don't forget you can always like, heart, share, follow, and subscribe. Thank you very much. And if you really enjoy the videos, you can also consider becoming members of the channel. That way, then you get to see even more videos every single week. But as always, guys, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another. And myself and the lovely Mr. Ted Green. We'll see you again real soon. Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.